David here, Saturday 27th July, week market report, 6:57 in the morning, market obviously closed, looking at a November contract 2017 UK wheat chart. This is our plan we had from the early part of the year. We identified a key level that we were looking for the market to go, if it had a run up, to go firstly through the yearly SMA 60, which stood at 144.62, and we were identified a key level that we were looking to market test 152, and that would be key to looking for people to sell at, or looking at long-term view, whether we'd taken a long-term trend. Let's pop down into the current yearly chart. We can see the SMA still standing at 144, the monthly. We can identify that we've broken through in June. July, we've gone up right way through it. Last night's close 147.80. We're still above the 60 SMA, so we're still in an uptrend at the present moment. Let's go down into the monthly. We can see here, still a month in June. July, we've had this big rise up, and we're closing sort of almost within the mid-range of this candle, closing 147.80. Cast your eye over this chart, still in a nice upward sloping trend. We'll pop down into weekly. We can identify here that we can see we've got a rejection candle here, this lower level, quite indicating support. We can see a big wick on this candle here. That was when we reversed here. We can identify that the trend is still up. We've got no sort of major, it's just a pullback within an uptrend. Let's pop down into all important daily. I've run this chart daily with a daily SMA of 60, comes in at 144.97, and we can see right spot on where's the market come back to test, as usual, come back to test the 60-day. We can see that this didn't quite touch it at 144.97. The market probably came down to about 145 here. Cast your eye on this, we can see a swing low here, so we've got nice support there, so almost like coming in at a double bottom, almost form H2 test there. We can put our level here of 152, which the market went up and tested at the beginning of July, obviously went through it, 154.50, and then gapped down, and we've come all the way back to test the value here. We've now had 3 days rise, 147.80. Looking at this chart, you straight away cast your eye at this gap here we left, and we'd be looking for the market to go up on gap fill back up here, 152. We looked last week, we were running a slow stochastic, and we were saying that the market was looking to pull back. If you were selling visible grain, you certainly wouldn't be looking to sell at present when we're massively oversold in an uptrend. You'll be looking for this bounce back up to this 152 level gap fill. The market will then give us an indication whether it wants to continue through this, or it's quite happy to just gap fill, and then we probably could see some sort of sideways action as we get into the harvest month, and obviously then there'll be news coming out, re-yields towards the end of August. But at the moment we've seen a fall, we've got a trend in place. That's still holding at the moment, looking for a bounce next week, and I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.